Hey guys, how's it going? I'm back. So it's been a week. So today is the first week after the New Zealand being locked down for coronavirus. So the whole country being locked down. You know why I wear the mask today? Yeah, because I have a plan a long time ago. Yeah, since I cannot go anywhere apart from the garage. So I'm in my apartment garage, so you can see nobody here. So everyone is staying at home. So what I'm gonna do today, so I planned a long time ago. So as you can see, so this one is a stock caliper, and I have some paint, the red color caliper paint. So this one's a duplicate color caliper paint with ceramic coating. So it's high temperature paint, so it's good for the caliper. You know what? Actually, the stock color is pretty good. So before I only done the polish on the Mazda logo. Yeah, but because I'm waiting for my new wheels to come, so yeah, I just wanted to make it a little bit shiny, but not too shiny. You know, I've been thinking about yellow color, silver, red, but in the end I still decide on the red. And the main reason is I cannot go anywhere to buy the new paint, and that's the only paint I have right now. So let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna make sure is, so safety first. But the problem is I don't have check stand, as you can see, but I use the totally 4 check for front side. So each check can hold about 800 kilograms. So it should be safe enough. Because I have 2 extras, so if I want to use it, so I can chuck maybe three jacks from each side, so that would be better. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm trying to clean the caliper as clean as possible, because you don't want to spray the paint on the dirty surface, right? So what I'm using now, yeah, that's another problem. So I cannot go to the super cheap auto to buy the cleaner, but I have a mass airflow sensor cleaner, so this one should be work as well. But before you spray on it, try to check if there's any heavy duty dust. So I'm gonna use some sandpaper to slightly sand the surface. Yeah, let's get started. You can use a sanding block. You know what? I think it's actually pretty clean. So probably don't need too much sanding. So let's just clean it. I'll spray the cleaner. So the hard part is the inside. Yeah, so once it's dry, so you can start the preparation for the paint. So I'll also give it some wipe to get some extra dirt out of the surface. But actually not too bad, okay? And later I'm gonna skip some filming because my battery is not that high. And also one thing I noticed is, so the Mazda Caliper, so the surface is actually pretty good for the paint. because you can see it's already like a matte finish. So once you clean the surface, so you can start the paint job. And you need to cover the suspension components just to cover it up before you paint. Yeah, alright, so I've covered the brake, everything. You probably asked me why I didn't cover the brake pad. Come on, so when you drive, it doesn't really matter. So but I covered this part to prevent the paint on the rotors. Right. So the shake it very well, and then we can start to paint right now. And before we do the actual painting, make sure to test on the other surface. Seems pretty good. So now I'm gonna stay focused a little bit. So I will stop filming and I'll show you the final result. Not the final result, but after paint the first layer, I'll show you. So just make sure it don't be so close. So at least 20 centimeters. So you want to put a very thin layer on the first surface. Just like that. Just like that. Don't spray too much paint at the beginning. And make sure to wear the mask, right? Okay, that's it. This first layer, and I'll possibly do maybe 4 or 5, maybe 6 times. So I'm gonna show you the final result later. So yeah, so every time you have to wait 10 to 15 minutes between every layers. So I already done the second layer, so I wait another few minutes before I do another one. And the other side, so I haven't started yet because the other I found is, so this angle is good for the paint, but the other side, so I will possibly finish the left side before I do this side. Yeah. Because it's not easy to change the steering angle when I'm doing the painting. Yeah, it's pretty much done. So I don't really care about the inside, because when you drive you're not gonna see. So just make sure the outer surface is good. Yeah, because my car is not a show car, so I don't really care about I mean, it's not that bad if you can see. So let's wait for another 10 minutes, and I'm gonna spray the final layer. Alright, so the final layer is finished. So you can see I'm pretty happy about the result. So when it dried, it will become a little bit better, because right now it's quite watery. Okay, let's work on the other side, and it's pretty much done soon. Yep. So the front ones are almost done. So I just need to wait for probably 1 hour before I can polish the logo to silver. And the final step is to spray where is it? Oh, so my final step is to spray a can of high temperature clear coat. after I finish it. So this thing is heat resistant, so it should hold up to 1000 degrees. So it's pretty good. Alright guys, my phone battery is pretty much gone soon. That's it. So that's pretty much the final result. So I'm gonna polish this a little bit better, and before I spray the final clear coat. Yeah, because at the moment the paint is not fully dried, so I'll possibly wait for another 2 or 3 hours before I spray the clear coat. Alright guys, check this out. What do you think? It's pretty good, eh? So I used also the radar. And from the other side. Yeah, a little bit overspray here. What do you say, guys? It's good? Good or not? Leave a comment down below if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I have a big plan of this car. Stay tuned. That's pretty much everything today. I'm gonna go home and charge my battery. Hopefully the lockdown will finish soon, so we can start driving the car again. Okay, thanks for watching. Everyone stay safe. See you next time.